Now, I'm not sure if you can actually see the bird, but he likes to jump back and forth between the Altima and the passenger side of the Mazda. Not really sure why, but it looks like he might be seeing his reflection. I'm not entirely sure. And yeah, he's already done this for about 20 minutes before I decided to come over here, and he flew away for a little while, and now he's back. I only wish I knew how to zoom in on this thing. See if I can get a little bit closer, maybe. Right now he's on the Altima. And he had to have done this for at least 20-25 minutes before I even came over here. And he flew away for a little while. I actually had to hide a little bit. I'm not sure if it's a oriole or maybe a robin or something. I don't know, I just know it has an orange chest. But he seems to like to jump back and forth between both cars for whatever reason. I don't know, it's actually kind of weird. I saw it from the backyard. That's Luke over there yapping his mouth off. He got tangled. I had to leave him there because otherwise he would have scared the bird away. Not entirely sure why, but I just find this really interesting because I've never actually seen this happen. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see him now. There he is. And now he looks like he's running away. Maybe. Looks like he's on the other side of the car. Oh, never mind. He's gone now. Back up in the tree.